Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are going to be making up some taco meat for some crispy tacos we're going to have today. And I wanted to jump on and share this with you guys. Now we all make our meat different. If you love the packaged stuff, great. I used to use it, but I found it too a little bit too overpowering for my liking, my whole family. So I'm gonna make it up the way that suits us, and hopefully you can give it a try. It's Tex-Mex kind. I don't put a lot of chili powder and stuff. I'm not a fan of that. That real strong chili powder flavor. So, I mean, I'm here in San Antonio, Texas, so that's not how our tacos are made around here, like in our restaurants and stuff. You don't see red taco seasoning. I mean, Taco Bell has it and it's great, but I'm not a fan of it. So I just make my own up, and whatever suits us, that's what I'm doing. So here I have 1.5 pounds of ground chuck, and here I have a little bit more than a half a teaspoon of salt, but that will be to your liking. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder. I have a teaspoon of onion powder. I have a half a teaspoon of chili powder, and I have a half a teaspoon of ground cominos. And we're just going to drizzle this in and let that fry right up with that ground chuck. And I'm going to let this fry up till it's nice and brown. And I have to add my pepper in here. I do maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to get this fried up. Alrighty. I've got my chuck hamburger meat here. Fried all up. Broken all up. Now what I like to do different is I add quite a bit of water to this, and it's going to evaporate, it'll evaporate off there. I like to add 2 cups to 2.5 cups. Here I have 2.5 cups actually. I'm going to put a little bit more. About 2.5 cups. So that's 2.5 cups of hot water, and I like to soft boil and just let this hang out. And you're looking to get your meat nice and tender. You want it nice and tender. Because if you only put, like the taco seasoning packs, what do they like, say, like half a cup of water or something like that? It's not giving that meat enough time to get tender and all those spices to marry. So we want to get this somewhat like a chili meat. And it gets very tender, and it hangs onto the taco shells real good that way. And it's just a good flavor. So we're going to let this hang out, and I'm going to get, meanwhile this is going, I'm going to get me my pan of rice going. We're going to have some Spanish rice with our crispy tacos. So we'll be back with the finished product, guys. But you are going to cook this until this water evaporates and your meat gently starts to fry, because we already got our fry on it. So once that water's, you can serve this whenever you want, however much liquid you want left on it, but I usually cook it down till the water is gone and let it start to lightly fry, and it's ready to go. And this could take up to 45 minutes to an hour to simmer and get nice and tender. All right, and that is with the lid on, guys. In case I missed it, you're gonna medium boil, and maybe the last 10 minutes you think that water's evaporating pretty good, take that lid off. Okay guys, there they are, the finished meat. We got ourselves some tacos, and I made some rice, but I ended up cooking my meat for 45 minutes. If yours cooks any sooner than that, just keep adding water, because you do want that hamburger to get nice and tender. And this is also good meat for like soft tacos on flour tortilla. And also at the end of your cooking, maybe the last 15-20 minutes of your cooking, you can add in a chopped potato and just have picadillo with it, But it's versatile, you know, use the meat as you want it, but it's really good on these tacos and soft tacos. So, but here they are. It's nice soft meat, tender, not overly spiced, and wanted to get on and share. And until next time, you guys make you up a batch of these tacos, or however you're going to eat the meat with them. And go ahead and like and subscribe, please. And until next time, we'll see you guys later, and enjoy the tacos.